The festive month is here again, and now I'm going to share some recipes for Bhog, no onion garlic recipes. I have set a kadhai and added 2 tablespoons of ghee or white oil, and into it I have added one big cardamom and black cardamom and around about 2 green cardamom and 1 bay leaf. I'll stir fry this till a nice aroma comes out. And now I'm going to add roughly chopped 3 tomatoes, and I'm using a hybrid tomatoes, as you'll get the pulp here and it won't make your gravy sour. And with it I'm going to add 1 inch of ginger and some cashew nut into it. We'll fry this all together till the tomatoes is softened. I will add here around about half a bell pepper, around about half cup of bell peppers. This will make the gravy sweet as we are not adding onions into it. Some green chilies and stir it well. I'm adding here half a teaspoon of haldi powder, chili powder according to your taste, and around about 2.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. Mix it all together till the oil releases from the side and till everything is softened, the tomatoes are softened. Now everything has been done. I'm going to remove the bay leaf from here and put this into a mixture jar and grind it without water. We have not used any water here, remember this. Now in the same time I'm going to add a little bit more oil and I'm going to fry the paneers here. You can directly add the paneer into the gravy, but I am frying here. The aroma comes out and the taste enhances the taste of the fried paneer. Don't over fry it or it will be hard. I'm going to just fry for around about 1 minute. And in the same pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and the paste which I have made with the tomatoes and cashew nuts and all. I'm going to add this. Remember, still we have not added any water here. I'll stir fry this masala till oil releases from the side. Do it in slow flame. Mix the masalas well, and when the oil releases from the masala, see the oil has been released from the side, and now I'm going to add around about 1.5 cup of warm water. The gravy depends upon how much gravy you want to add. I'm adding here around about 1.5 cup of warm water and stir it well and cook it till it boils. I'm adding here salt now because we have not added salt anything. So now I'm adding salt and it has been start boiling, and now I'm going to add the paneers here and boil it around about 3-4 minutes. I have added here some green peas. I have used here frozen green peas, so I'll add here directly. If you are using the fresh one, so do boil it first and then add. Mix it well. I'll add here 2 tablespoons of fresh cream into it. Cook it in medium heat. Stir it. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want and kasuri methi. I'm finishing it off with some green chili, some fresh cream and 1 tablespoon of butter, and your no onion garlic matar paneer is ready for Bhog. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.